Have you ever wondered how do you get social media posts like this? And this is just through automation. Simple. Let me take you how. Hey, I'm Pranav, and welcome to Pranav Automates, where I turn business ideas into automation. So here's one of the automation or workflow I've created, which is creating marketing creatives for your social media posts. It could be on your website, you could run ads with it, and many more. It looks complicated, but it actually isn't. So you have a form that you need to fill up. You have an edit field that matches the form. You have an AI agent that does also comes up with a certain structured output that you want it to be. Then you have a code that, because I'm not a coder, I actually use ChatGPT to help me with this, and I made it simple. And I used a switch node because I wanted to come into all of these five categories, or you can say design it into these five posts. Then it gets converted to a file, and then I get sent to a Gmail, how we saw in the first over here. So I'll show you a demo of this, and I'll take you through step by step on how it's done. Right? Let's get the demo started. Let me quickly take you through the user prompt. So the user prompt I've mainly just said is the product name, the tagline, the brand name, the brand tone, what it needs to be, the USPs, and what category it's. It's simple. So it gets filled up on the right side, you can see. You can make it stationary throughout. If you want to have a particular product, you can just use the same. But if you have different products that you want to promote, then this might be better. So now I come to the system prompt. What is a system prompt? So the system prompt is basically where you're telling the AI agent some rules to follow and strict guidelines that it needs to do. So I've given an example: generate five different product styles, concepts for a mandala monk from Zen Circle as a brand, use meditation, calm, elegant tone colors, deep blue sea, and so on. So you can use these. I would say maybe pause the video and look at some of these and use it for your according to your particular brand. So once you have this ready, I mean it's simple. Then it goes straight into the code node, which I'll just open up, and it's a very simple code node here. So you can pause, copy this, and once it's done, it goes into a switch node. So within the switch node, what have I done? I've basically given it rules. So I've told it this particular code and what is it equal to. The same for all of these. So we can even rename all of these if we need to. And then I've used OpenAI in this case. So I've used HTTP, used OpenAI, and you can kind of like use it. So go to the OpenAI platform, create a link, create an API key, and you're done. Then use a convert node and then send it to your Gmail. And that's how you'll end up getting this particular one. So we can see in our Gmail social media post, and then it comes out as here. So this is simple.